children, how are you all? Do you know? Today we are going to start a new topic. आज मैं आपको EVS का एक न्यू टॉपिक पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. पता है कौन सा? वो आप सबका मनपसंद टॉपिक है. Yes, that is food. Do you know? All living things need food. सब जितने भी लिविंग थिंग्स हैं उनको फूड की ज़रूरत होती है. We need food when we are hungry. जब आपको भूख लगती है तो आपको क्या चाहिए होता है? हाँ, खाना. Our body needs food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy for work and play. आपको पता है जब आप खेलते हो या कोई वर्क करते हो तो आपके पास एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है? Yes, जो फूड आप खाते हो उसी से आपको एनर्जी मिलती है. बट गुड फूड मेक्स आवर बोन्स एंड बॉडी स्ट्रॉन्ग. लेकिन जब हम हेल्दी फूड खाते हैं तो उससे हमारा शरीर स्ट्रॉन्ग बनता है और हड्डियां भी मजबूत होती हैं. आवर फूड कम्स फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. फूड हमें प्लांट से भी मिलता है और एनिमल्स से भी. जैसे मिल्क है वो हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? एनिमल्स से. बट डू यू नो व्हाट इज गुड फूड फॉर अस? क्या होता है अच्छा खाना जो हमें रोज खाना चाहिए? लेट मी टेल यू अ स्टोरी. एक स्टोरी सुनाती हूँ आपको जिससे आपको पता लगेगा कि अच्छा खाना खाने से, हेल्दी खाना खाने से हमें क्या मिलता है. ओके, आवर स्टोरी नेम इज ईट हेल्दी स्टे हेल्दी. लॉन्ग टाइम अगो अ फैमिली लिव्ड इन अ सिटी. In the family, grandparents along with their mummy papa lived 8-year-old Himanshu and 7-year-old Himani, brothers and sisters. हिमांशु और हिमानी दोनों ही अपने दादा दादी के साथ में एक परिवार में रहते थे. They were very much fond of junk food. लेकिन उनको सबसे ज्यादा खाना क्या अच्छा लगता था? जंक फूड, यानी पिज्जा, बर्गर्स, चॉकलेट, chips, etc. Therefore, they used to eat pizza and burger all the time and refused to eat vegetables and fruits. उन लोगों को इतना पसंद था जंक फूड कि वो फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स के लिए हमेशा मना कर देते थे. हिमांशु कहता था, नो वी डोंट लाइक वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स एट ऑल. हिमानी कहती थी, वी लाइक ओनली पिज्जा एंड बर्गर मॉम. Mom used to say, but children, if you won't eat vegetables and fruits, your eyesight will become very weak and you will have to wear specs in such a small age. But they never used to listen to their mom and both together shouted, no, we don't like vegetables and fruits at all. One day, their mother explained them very lovingly. एक दिन उनकी मम्मी ने उनको बहुत ही प्यार से समझाया, बेटा, your eyesight will become strong if you eat fruits and green vegetables. Otherwise, you will become ill. Mother's affectionate words convinced Himani. हिमानी को तो समझ में आ गया था मम्मी ने जो प्यार से उनको समझाया. So she started eating fruits from that day. She said, "Okay, mom, from today I will eat fruits and vegetables." But Himanshu, he refused to listen to his mom again. No, mom, I like pizza, burger only. Mother stopped explaining Himanshu. Many days passed away. Himani started eating fruits and vegetables daily. She was becoming very intelligent also after eating the fruits and vegetables. Himanshu, like before, ate only pizzas and burgers, means junk food. One day, in the classroom, Himanshu's teacher asked him in the school. She said, hey, Himanshu, stand up. Come on, solve the question on the blackboard. On the blackboard there was written 2 plus 2. And he has to answer this question. But when Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything blurred. He rubbed his eyes again and again, but couldn't see properly. He looked again once again, but he still found everything blurred. Then the teacher was very angry at him. She scolded him and said, Himanshu, what is this? Can't you solve this simple question? When he was unable to answer, she said, Himanshu, are you not able to solve this easy question also? Wait, I will call your parents to the school right now. The teacher left the class after saying this and made a phone call at Himanshu's home. After some time, Himanshu's parents came to the school. Teacher told the whole thing to the parents. The parents were very worried also and scolded Himanshu and said, It seems you are not studying properly these days. He replied, No, mom, I know very well 2 plus 2 is 4. Mom said, So why didn't you answer the question in the classroom? He said, I was unable to see the board, mom. I told you before also. If you won't eat fruits and green vegetables, your eyesight will become weak. See, the result is before you. He said, Sorry, mom. From today, I will eat fruits and vegetables only. And started crying loudly. His mother understood that he has realized the value of fruits and vegetables. Now, children, do you understand by this story that eating fruits are healthy for your eyesight and your body too? And you can remain normal like Himani. Let's have a look on some fruits we should eat daily. तो बच्चों, इस वीडियो में आपने एक स्टोरी सुनी. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको मैं फ्रूट्स के नेम्स और उनकी पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी ताकि आपको पता चल सके कि कौन से फ्रूट्स हमारे लिए हेल्दी हैं. दिस इज एन एप्पल. एन एप्पल अ डे कीप्स द डॉक्टर अवे. दिस इज पीच. यू शुड ईट इट डेली. दिस इज आवर फेवरेट कोकोनट. इससे चटनी भी बनती है. ये एक फ्रूट है. द नेक्स्ट फ्रूट इज रेड cherries. I love cherries. This is strawberry. Do you like the juice of strawberry also? Yes, it's very healthy for us. This is pomegranate. It has many seeds. It is kiwi. This is orange. The color of orange fruit is also orange. This is lime, which juice is very healthy for us. Yes, that's all kids' favorite watermelon, mouth-watering fruit. It's green in color outside and red inside. Next is pear. It is pear. Yes, this is banana. It makes our bones very strong. You should eat it daily. This is pineapple. Its juice is also refreshing. You should take the juice daily. And these are grapes. These are found in 2 colors, purple and green too. And this is the king of fruits, mango. It's so yummy. All the children love it to eat, and its mango shake also. It is found in also 2 colors, green and yellow. So children, all the fruits are healthy for your health and you will become very strong. और आपकी eyesight जो है वो भी कभी भी weak नहीं होगी if you will eat the fruits and vegetables daily. Now let's learn 2 poems about my favorite fruits. My favorite fruit is apple and coconut. So let's start with apple. Here is the tree with leaves so green. Here are the apples that hang between. When the wind blows, the apples fall. Here is the basket to gather them all. Here is a tree with leaves so green. Here are the apples that hang between. When the wind blows, the apples fall. Here is the basket to gather them all. Now next poem is coconut. Coconut dear, how are you? How are you? Let me taste your white flesh, let me taste your your white flesh and the juice too, and the juice too. You have brown skin, you have brown skin, rough and coarse, rough and coarse. What a lovely tail you have, what a lovely tail you have. I like you, I like you. Coconut dear, coconut dear, how are you? How are you? Let me taste your white flesh, let me taste your white flesh, and the juice too, and the juice too. You have brown skin, you have brown skin, rough and coarse, rough and coarse. What a lovely tail you have, what a lovely tail you have. I like you, I like you. So children, you have to revise these two poems at home also. And one more thing I want to say, that prepare a poem on your favorite fruit and send the audios to your teachers. Thank you.